freaking shit just went off. Trading platforms and shit just disconnected. No, what the hell happened? But we're here. We are here. Good morning, people. Hope everyone doing fine. Yeah, today might be another long stream. Yeah, once I'm able to, I'm gonna stay here for about an hour. For about an hour. Once I'm able to do so. All right, guys, welcome, welcome, welcome. Feel free to share up this stream. Feel free
If
to
you do buy stuff and
share.
sell stuff on an
Huh?
AP open,
Who? Nah, nah. Like, I mean, there's clear structure here though on NQ. There's clear structure here. Clear structure. Like, it's very clear to me. Very clear to me here. It looks terrible though, but there's structure
yeah,
there. Clear structure is there. So we'll see what's up. I'm gonna chill a little bit. Wait for some more people to come on the stream before I start doing the markups. That's why I wanted to start early as well. You know,
yeah,
just gonna like about wait for about 5 minutes and 3 minutes. Wait for people to come in and then we're gonna do some markups. I mean, those who should be joining, those who will join like as soon as should be those that's really interested, I guess. Dun, 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 dun. Welcome, people. Welcome, welcome to the New York session live stream. Welcome, welcome. Just waiting for a few people to get in here so I could do the analysis here. Yo, Sauce, what's up, man? Mm, vibes, vibes. All right, so let's see what we got going on here. Right, so let's look at NQ here. We've been going up a lot here on NQ. So sales for the most part would be a bit tricky, right? So if you look at, we have structure here, right? So came up, down, up, and then we know we're consolidating, right? So we're more or less gonna continue moving bullish here. We could anticipate bullish momentum here, right? Um, if you look at the 15 here, we just had a small 15-minute and we're about to break the highs. If you look at this here, This is a resistance, and now it's turning support, right? Hopefully to turn support to push, continue to the upside, right? If you look at it from this perspective, it's very clear. Higher high, higher low, higher high. Most likely this may be the higher low to continue to make an equal high or higher high, right? If you know your market structure. So keeping that in mind, we have also a small trend line here, right? So the first break would be here on this low, right here, right? Technically, because this candle didn't close yet. When this candle close, then this one gonna be the low, right? If we go on the 1 minute time frame, what you can see here is we got a lot, like a very nice, like trend here, right? So these lows have been, holding. So if we break this low, like I said, when this candle closes here, this 5 minute candle closes, then we can use this most recent support here. But if I'm going to take sales, it would have to be a bit lower. Because like I said, we're bullish, right? So if we're taking sales, I'll I'll be taking it on the break of this low right here. Right? This would be my sell level. Right? Now we could take it below here. This is a safe spot. Could take it below here. This is just a slightly earlier entry, right? No, again, go for 1 to 1, 1 to 2, right? Now for buys, let's go on the 1 minute. Now we have minor structure in here, right? This here is from news, so you have to be mindful of that, right? This here is from news, so like not really to disregard it, but understand that okay, if market come back here, it could reject again. Because if news didn't push the shit up, you know, it might just reject again, right? So if we look back on the 5 minute, we have this wick here, right? On the 1 minute, this is what the zone looks like here. Now, if I'm being honest, I'm slightly leaning towards sells. The buys would be nice, but I don't see the range. Like there's a way better range to the downside here, right? After we break these lows here, we have like nice range. There's nice ranges to the downside. That's my point, right? So what we can anticipate here is if we break these highs, which is 690, we can continue to the upside, yeah? Now we see we're making minor structure here on the 1 minute. Still got 10 minutes left. So we just broke these highs here, right? So we make a higher high here. So we could pull back, higher low, and then higher high by the time market open. Then we can really anticipate that break and then catch a buy here, right? 25 point stop. The zone is very small today, guys. So please be careful. We can easily get a 20-point move either direction and then fake us out, yeah? So let's be careful today on NQ. Well, let's see what's happening on YM, shall we? Okay, so YM. Wow, YM looks horrible. I mean, the same structure is here, but shit, man. This is basically the same structure here. So it's a steepest trend here, right? Steepest trend here. Yeah, this one is bad, man. This one is bad. Yeah, I don't know what to say for why I'm here, bro. Why am I tricky here? Why am I tricky here? From the 5 minute perspective, okay. So let's see the range, right? This entire consolidation is 80 points. That's a lot. It's more than NQ by far. 30 minute, 15 minute. Okay. We closed above. Alright, so we could get, what's the range of this candle? Oh, that's 20 points. I think we can get a break of a low here. But it would need to be either this low or this low here. The thing about it is the reason why I don't want to wait on a break of these lows. It's a lot of points to wait for. It's a lot of points to wait for. Buys, however, would be break of this high right here. What we got to the left? Okay, we're not looking bad here to the left. We're not looking bad here to the left. I mean, uh, yeah, bullish closure. Wick down, break the high. Yeah, that would be nice. Break up this high there would be, ooh, that's not even much. That's not even much. We may have to end on a break of the current high. We may enter a break of the current high here. This resistance, uh, I'm not like too scared of it. I'm not too scared of this resistance. Yeah. Not too scared of it. But once we break this high, we should fly. We should fly here. We will break this high to the left here. The other high is over here. Wow, they're very close. They are very close. But these are our levels here, guys. These are our levels here. So buys above 513 for YM. Sales would be. Hmm, I'm not too sure on the sales here. Let's say sales would be on the break of this low here. As the previous support here. Yeah, break out these lows. We could continue down, possibly, or this one. So either one, right? We have clean ranges. So as you can see, it's a big range inside here, but we just have to be patient and leave it alone. So sales at 426 potentially, and at 410 potentially. Let's see here. Yeah, that's it. Yep, 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 yep. So I hope we understand why I chose to choose this low here. It's a This is all a consolidation, right? This in the back here, not really slightly separated from it. 'Cause we had a impulsive move here, right? And then it came back and do its thing. So this is a minor channel here. It broke out of this channel, then it came back in retest and continued to push. But it's more or less like this is consolidation here. So we could get again once it break out, we can take a trade. It's just that there isn't any clear structure on like at least from the 5 minute perspective. The 1 minute, however, yes, but okay, let's take a look at this here then. If we close below this level, we would want to take sales. I'm still looking at this from the perspective of the 1 minute, right? I'm still looking at it from the perspective of the 1 minute. Cause we got like multiple taps here, tap here, tap here, tap here, like again, and these are supports in the same way. So breaking those levels would be ideal, but this is the main one down here. So let's try to work with that. We're breaking already. If we close beneath here, wick up, break the low. We need this. We need the wick up if we close below here. I will not be entering impulsively on this one. This one is too dangerous. So current lows, yeah? 1 minute, 30 seconds left for the open.
Thank you.
What do you think, bro?
Um, I was expecting on my end to go up a little and then drop.
Yeah, we didn't get that shit. It's dropping now. Let's see if we're gonna get it. Yeah, let's see if we're gonna get it at the open here. Oh shit, my bad. I didn't sort out my deep charts. I made some money on deep charts though.
Nice.
Up like about 400 today. Oh no, not gold. What am I doing? Why am?
We got 30 seconds left.
Yeah, yeah, it's all good. Yeah, I mean, if I don't get a trade on it, it's good. Just trying to open deep charts. Yeah, that's all.
I believe the YM is gonna go up and then break down.
Dog, you look like a PG billionaire. What? What the hell is a PG billionaire? Anyways, guys, lock it in here. Let's see if we could get a decent move here on this shit. Wow, this is
Oh
yeah,
wow.
yeah, this is
Damn,
not.
thank you.
I mean, yeah, I'm not in on NQ here.
I'm not either.
I'm in on
I
YM.
mean, I want YM. Me too.
I'm in on YM here. Ooh. Oh shit,
And I'm about to be out.
my YM position, yeah, my YM position was too small actually. Wow.
I'm about to be out.
Yeah, break up those lows there. I'm in on YM though. We break up those lows there. I'm in on YM. Did it break it? Ah shit. I don't think it did though. I don't think it did. I think I got in a little too early there. But there's the break. There's the break. I got in too early, but yeah, still out. Yeah, the market is crazy right now. Yeah. Yeah, the market is crazy right now. Crazy right now. Crazy right now. I mean, Anchor broke the lows here and continue to push. Break of these highs here would be the play here for NQ for me. Let's see the 1 minute. I need a closure here. I need a closure here below the range. 1 minute closure below the range. I'll get back in. 1 minute closure here below the range. How much did I use last time? Was it six? Can't remember how much I used, man. That's a rejection there on YM. Yeah, that's a big rejection there on YM. I don't like it at all. NQ might get my entry here. Yeah, YM gave that fake out move though, by the way. I want to enter it,
Yeah.
but yeah, he gave the fake out move. It gave the fake out move, but I'm not. It's moving too crazy, man. The fuck? Yeah, it's moving too crazy. I'll enter on NQ here, break up the highs. Wait for a double break though. Look at YM, man. What the fuck is that shit? The fuck is that shit, man? I mean, if it close bearish, I'm gonna take it, but yeah, I'm waiting for NQ to give a second break here, if it gives it. But maybe why I'm on the break of these lows here. Yeah, man, this is nuts here. Yeah, it seems like I'm gonna be in on YM here on the break of this low. Yeah, break of this low, I'll be in on YM, and that's gonna be it for me once I sell YM here. Not in on not in anything right now, guys. I was waiting for a
I'm
break.
waiting for NQ.
Yeah, the break of the highs there on NQ would be good. I'm also looking at yeah, YM is moving insane right now, yo. What the fuck? I don't
It's
think I
already broke the high on trader base.
really.
FYI. Yeah.
Wait, what the
On a
wait?
5 minute, right? You have 1 minute?
Nah, I'm on one
Nice.
minute. Okay, NQ. I'm in on NQ here on
Yeah.
buys. I'm in on
Yeah, it
NQ
broke the
buys
high.
here.
Me too.
I'm in on NQ buys here. Let's see how this goes.
Kind of
Man,
early entry though.
man. Yeah, man. Well, that's more or less a second break here. So let's see how we get here. Dun, dun. I might be break even here today. Yeah, nothing on deep charts today. I mean, I've been up already, so shit. But actually, my deep charts closed down. What the hell? How did that happen? Yeah, today was like fucking whipsaw shit, man. But we're in on NQ here. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get here. Let's go on the 5 minutes. Okay, this 5 minute closure here, break out the high. I'm gonna add one more um position in. I'm gonna scale in here a
Just wait
little.
for 5 minutes.
Yeah, wait for the 5 minute closure here. Yeah.
Yeah. You have like 40 seconds, 20
Uh,
seconds.
uh, yeah. 10 seconds, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, break out the high. I'm just gonna add one more micro here.
Oh God, dude,
Uh,
this market is crazy right now.
yeah, it is. It actually. Okay, there we go.
Yeah.
There's me adding my one
Yep.
micro there. Um, yeah, NQ is the play here today, guys.
Yeah. Stops a break even.
Stops to break. Well, stops to entry where my entry
20.
supposed to be here. 1 hour here, guys. I'm gonna trill at well, stops to break even for me now, actually. Yeah. Simple day here, guys. Simple day here. NQ looks like it's gonna actually push. So let's see.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see what it gives. Again, I'm not trying to hold much, but sometimes you gotta let it do its thing, man. Yeah, scaled in stops at break even here at like $4, $5. But ooh, that's a nice 1 minute closure there. That's a lovely 1 minute closure there. Come on, give us that flip.
I need.
Give us
Damn,
that
I
flip.
was like 2 points away to 50 2R.
Hmm. Oh, you got an early entry, huh? Yeah, I'm out here. It seems like I'll be out here. Ooh.
I think I'm gonna close. Okay, there you go. Stops at 1 hour.
Yeah, I'm out. I'm out here. Basically, break even day today for me.
It's secure 1 hour, and I'm just gonna see if it's gonna let it go.
Mm, good shit. Good shit. Good shit. Yeah, the 5 minute. That was some iffy. Ooh, that's a nice 1 minute closure here too. Why is the market so crazy right now though? It's like really crazy right now.
It's crazy. I lost two trades on my end, and then my break even trade is covering a whole thing at plus $50.
Good shit, man. Or
I like this.
proper risk management.
Yeah,
Pro
Alpha is wanting me to do persistence.
proper risk management there.
Here you go. Here you go. Here you go.
I wonder why.
Nice.
There,
TPs. There you go.
there you
There you go.
go. Okay, this is why I'm breaking those highs here, guys. Um, if it breaks again here, it could get a really nice move to the upside. Oh shit, put in a wrong position there. Why did I fucking sell? God damn it, my fingers
Just close.
slipped.
Close it.
Okay, there we go. Stop start break even here for YM. We up 1 hour. Yep, yep. I'm out here. Fully break even. I made back the loss. I made back the loss.
Nice.
Yeah, that's it. So we did okay today, guys. We did okay today. We did okay today. I kind of pissed me deep. Chat just crashed on me though. Don't know what the fuck happened. Yeah, that shit just crashed on me. Yeah. Pajama Billionaire. I don't remember if that is. Look it up on IG social media platform. Huh. Okay. This dude says I look like PJ Billionaire. Who the fuck is that? Hold on. Let me see that shit.
Damn, bro. Thank you. It's not pushing up.
Yeah, why I'm broke those highs that I was a good. Remember, we came fake out to the downside. So once we cleared those highs there, YM was a good play.
I closed at 1.5 hour.
Nice.
Whatever. Yeah, it's flipping now.
Yeah.
We hit the data high.
Bruh, ain't no way I look like this dude. Ain't no way I look like this dude.
Ooh.
This dude said I look like this guy. This guy. Ain't no way I look like
Yo,
this
what's
dude.
up?
Ain't no
That's
way I look like this dude, man.
that's your bro.
Yeah. The meta trader profits, man. Pajama billionaire.
Is he
Hey.
a volatility 500 guy?
Mm, ah. Yeah.
Those South African dudes.
Yeah. I'm not.
Oh shit, YM.
I ain't gonna be messing with that shit.
Yo, YM.
So yeah, and you could come back here for a decent crash, guys. Um, and you could come back here for a decent crash. What's gold doing?
I lock out. I'm done.
Gold moved rather smoothly. Yeah, so see this? Yeah, see this? This here is it looks good. It looks really good on NQ though. Yeah, gold is giving that flip there. It's not bad, but yeah, I'm gonna stay out of that shit. I'm gonna stay
On
out of
NQ,
that.
if it breaks below the previous five, you
Yeah,
could try
it's a
long term.
it's a good shot. It's a good shot. It's a good
Because it's keep
shot.
rejecting that level.
YM is gone though. The fuck?
Yeah, YM is gone.
YM is gone and YM look like it wants to pull back. What's the total stop here? This is 45 points. Zoo. Yeah, this year, guys, this year is yeah. I'm gonna wait for a double break here. I'll wait for the next candle, like couple candles. Look at that rejection. Why am holy shit. Yo, why move crazy today, man? God damn, that's 78 points after the high there. Remember, this was
Yeah.
the previous high we marked out. These are previous highs we marked out. So this could have been a second entry here. Any one of these levels. Wow. There is your favorite pair moving.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, break
Put it
even.
on 1 minute.
Easy break even there for me.
Mm. Bro, I just realized I have to be consistently make 40% or below
What do you mean?
on alpha. I have a consistency rule on alpha.
Oh yeah, there is, yeah. I'm all bro blessed.
Yeah.
It was a losing day for me. Yes, sauce man, unfortunately, man. I mean I lost today as well. Well, technically, but yeah, we also won trade, so it's probably down to risk management, man, and you know, based on how much rules you want to, how much trades you enter per day and stuff like that. All based on your rules. Yeah, like I said, I'm just trying to take it easy, man. Trying to take it easy. Don't want to rush no trades. Don't want to rush this account. Trying to take my time. Yeah, for and I take too many risks. Yeah, just have to like just have a quota. You know, you're willing to risk for the day. It mentally just having a quota you want to risk for the day will make you more confident in your trades. So you won't be like panicky. You know, just having that helps. So this would be the closure here on the 15 minute for NQ. Um, deep charts. Where did it fucking go?
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, this would be that here. So
Yeah.
what I'm
NQ's
gonna
gone.
what I'm gonna do here is probably enter this here. Bottom wick, bottom wick. Yeah, good to go. Yep. What we got here? Yeah, I'm in on this on the break of the high. I'm in on this on the break of the high. We need a bottom wick though, not just entering just like that. We
We're
going.
about to close.
Yeah, 10 seconds left. If I don't get a bottom wick, then I'm not gonna enter. Let's see if we get a bottom wick here. That's not bad. You see, the thing about this previous
Uh,
candle was rejected. So yeah, let's see what the 1 minute looking like. Yeah. If we come back to this level here, like 738 level, not bad. Yeah. It's a doji closure though on the 1 minute. It broke the previous low on the doji, so that's good here. So I think on the break of the highs here, I could enter. Wow, it blinked up. The fuck?
yeah, now it's gonna push up.
Let's see if it
You enter?
does. I'm in, yeah, I'm in. Stop is basically on the break of the low though. Stops on the break of the low. Toot, 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 toot. So this here is basically what I like. This is the fundamental of what I teach, right? This is the fundamental of the strategy.
Okay.
This is like again, this is a breakout, right? We just the difference here. We just wait for a closure.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm already locked out, so I don't think I'm gonna trade.
yeah. I'm just going for 1 to 1 here. if YM closes like this as well, okay, so this is the first 5 minutes of the 50-minute candle, right? So if it closes like this, and then it breaks the high, you could anticipate a weak fill because this will be a flip of the new 15-minute candle, right? The current 15-minute candle, that's what's open here now. So yeah, I think we are about to lose this trade here. I didn't want to put the 15-minute, the 25-point stop, like fully down here, because there is no sense. Like this is a 15-minute open. Once it breaks the low, it's gonna continue to push down. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, it should continue to push down here. Two, 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 two. Well, that's it for me. I'm done. Yeah, man. Nothing much today, though.
Yeah.
Nothing much today. The market just Yo, kid, morning, man. Morning, morning. Morning time. By the way, thanks for the likes, guys. Really do appreciate it. Do appreciate the likes, man. Okay, let's see. I could navigate better here on this shit. So let's see what we got here. Gone gold. Man, what the fuck is gold doing? What is gold doing, man? Nothing. Gold is doing nothing. Mm-hmm. Yeah, NQ, yeah, dropping. Yep, it's dropping. It's dropping. It's dropping. Yep, 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 yep. Yeah, there's nothing here, guys. There's nothing here for the forex guys here. Forex is just like horrible right now. Forex is just like horrible right now. Do, 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 do. So the first 5 minute close here. So you see, so it would have been stopped out here, right? Remember,
Mhm.
this was my stops was higher up, right? Below the candle low. Now it came down, stopped me out, and like I said, it's gonna continue coming down. So this is why I didn't have a 25-point stop, right? I just had it under the candle because I anticipated this break, right? So again, this is a doji, and we could get a break of the high here. Price could still continue to push. Right? That's just the reality of it. Like it will be maybe over trading at not maybe it will be over trading at this point, but if you haven't taken a trade yet, there you go. It's a possibility. Meanwhile, YM is pushing, pulling back here. But anyways, guys, yeah, I wanted to have a long stream today, but we got enough in. We got enough in already, so I'm gonna call it here for today. I'm gonna call it here for today. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah. See you guys tomorrow. Yeah. Um, at 9:10, right? 9:10. That's the 9:10 Eastern. Yeah. Wasting money. 80p. What do you mean 80p? One. What do you mean 80p? I don't know these abbreviations, man.
At this point.
Oh, who is? Like you're not like am I wasting money? Is you wasting money? Like what are you saying? Yeah. What are you saying, Vaughn?
He laughed already.
I mean. You know, you come commenting. I guess you're the one wasting money. I don't know. I mean, you see, and that's the thing, right? Based on what it is, I've been doing shit for 6 years, right? And you're gonna have like people would be people would be like, okay, like they don't want to lose money, right? But in order to learn this shit, in order to truly learn this shit, you will lose money. And then even when you learn it and when you've been successful, you will still continue to lose. You may not lose overall, but you will lose money. So like what happened to the times when I'm making, you know? So that's why I say like it can be referring to me. Can be referring to me. Dude said wasting money at this point. Oh man. Yeah, let's see what happens at 10 o'clock. Mm, 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 mm. Did anyone else catch any trades today? Who else is in
Yeah,
here?
I caught buys in. Thank you.
Or the same buys, right?
Yeah.
Mm, 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 mm. I mean, it has been a bit rough lately though. Markets has been
Yeah.
markets haven't been easy to trade lately. I will admit
Yeah.
that. Will admit that. But that's part of the game. I mean, I remember when the initial when they first started the war, like when they did the first bombing and shit. Man, I made some money on fucking gold.
Mm.
Yeah, that was crazy.
then top step be like, yep.
Top step, yes. Top step was not having it.
Yep, it's not happening.
Yeah, so it happens, man. It happens. You make and you lose, man. It's part of the game.
Hmm.
Part of the game. Mm, 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 mm. Yep. Yeah, I think this is it. Let's gonna wait for the open, and then that's about it. Wait for the not the open, but the candle to close. Wait for the candle to close, and that's it. I'll just see how it closes. Yeah. Mm, 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 mm. I still didn't even check and see what if gold is even doing anything. Let's see if it did anything different, huh?
Oh, gold? I'm not
Yeah.
looking at gold.
Hmm. Nothing. Nothing.
And gold
Not.
is just ranging at that level.
Yeah. It is. It is just ranging. It
Yeah,
is
one more
just
minute.
ranging. Yeah. Nothing on gold. Yeah.
Honestly, I'm done.
Yeah. Whew. I will call it there too, man. I'm gonna call it there.
Look at YM.
Yeah, YM is looking good on the 15. It's looking good. It's looking good. It's actually looking good. That's a 45 point weak fill. It's looking good. Potentially a really good setup there. Potentially a really good setup there. Yeah, that's it, guys. Man, you could get an entry here based on the breakout of the low at the 15, but that would be a bit risky. Better to wait for a closure meeting here and take a trade at 700, 703 or some shit. But I'm out, guys. See you all tomorrow, yeah? Peace out.